Your sales page is the page, whether that be a text-based sales page, a video, whatever page it is that actually sells your product or service. Pretty straightforward. Let's look at the variables that you need to fill in for the sales page. And if you don't have a sales page, you can skip this part, of course. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is name the entry. And I'm going to call this VSL for 4-Day Thyroid Diet. It's the sample book that I'm using. And again, you're just going to fill in some transitional phrases, and it's going to be pretty straightforward from here. Again, you're not creating an entire sales page. Obviously, that's not what the software does. What you're creating are the emails that would drive people to a sales page. So a video sales letter is obviously different than a written sales page, but I'm going to show you a cool trick in case I have a written sales page. Okay, I would simply say visit the page below. So in other words, the URL is going to go below this, and then I'm going to complete a sentence here. When you visit the page, you can or will, and I'm just going to enter a promise. Okay, so all I've entered here is this doctor-approved, scientifically supported way to reboot your thyroid gland, restore your youthful metabolism, and lose weight without sacrificing your favorite food. So that's all you need to put here. You can put more if you want, but that's really all you need. So go now, hop over and take a few minutes right now. So I'm going to say you'll want to watch this video now because this is a VSL. Notice that we have read this page now, see this presentation now, and I'm going to actually change it to see this presentation while it's fresh in your mind because that's even better. So I'm going to enter the URL here. That's the URL for my video sales letter, and I'll just say watch it now. And that's all there is to it. But then I want to show you a cool trick. Let's say that I have a written sales page for the same exact product. And everything is exactly the same except for the fact that it's not a presentation to watch, it's a sales page to read. I can use the copy feature down here, copy this entire data set, rename this to sales page. To be specific, I might say written sales page. This can stay the same, and so can this. So copying really saves you some time, but however, this is going to change. You'll want to read this page now or visit this page below, and then the URL would change /sales page or whatever. This doesn't really exist, but I'll change it and read more here. So just that quick, I can create multiple sales pages for the same product. Now let's take a look at this inside of an email. Okay, sometimes Email CopyPro will just pull in a little bit of the information. You'll want to watch this video now, the URL. And the CTA, by the way, means watch it now is what you would see here, and you would hyperlink this link. Or you can actually hyperlink this. You'll want to watch this video now and not use any of this data here except for the URL. That's up to you. But watch if I hit regenerate. Now it'll say you'll want to visit the page below, and this is the sales page. So it depends on which one I want to use. Now because Email CopyPro regenerates entire sentences, entire paragraphs, even your data to create completely unique emails, sometimes this will not be regenerated the first time around. So I might have to hit regenerate several times in order to actually pull up. See, it didn't regenerate that time. So I might have to hit regenerate a few times in order to pull this up, or I can just do this. I can just change it manually if I want to go back to the video. And within 3 clicks, it's done. Okay, here's an example of using the entire sales page data form. So, and now you can too, you'll discover, and this is the sales page promise right here. You'll want to visit this page below, and this is for the written sales page. If I wanted to use the VSL that I created, I would just pop this in like that, and we're done.